Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Ultraloq. It's a U-bolt smart deadbolt lock for your front door. I just did an installation for my customer, and I really fell in love with it. So this is like a must-have item for all the tech guys. So anyway, this is pretty good, but the only drawback is that it uses for the AA battery. So I'm not sure how long would that last, because this is based on the motor that you need to open daily. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys. By the way, everywhere is selling this for $199. There's a cheaper version, which is $159, but it doesn't come with the smart plug that give you a notification or connect to your Alexa. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, we ordered this at the midnight of Cyber Monday, which is Sunday night at midnight, and it says it's supposed to be here on Wednesday, but somehow it showed out on Monday, which is the next day. So I was kind of surprised. Yeah, because you buy Amazon Prime, it's supposed to come the next day, so I'm not sure why they show Wednesday instead. One of the airbag. So this one is the Ultraloq, the revolution on your front door smart deadbolt. So here is the rubberized keypad with the fingerprint scanner right in the middle right here. And this one is the U-Bolt Pro, and support your smartphone app, either your Android or your iOS. So you could open from your smartphone or with the fingerprint reader, which is this one, or by code. It's 4 to 8 that you could enter. And if in case your battery dies out, there's a micro USB adapter right here. You can connect with your power bank and then temporarily power this on to enter the code or fingerprint scanner. Or if worst scenario, you don't have any of those, you can use your physical key that came with it. They come with 2 of the keys. So smartphone control via Bluetooth. And it has a 360 live fingerprint identification. So only use 0.4 second with the fingerprint. And anti-beep numeric keypad with the backlit. So this one has a backlit, as you can see, even on the numbers as well. And share a temporary code, no keys. So you could create your temporary code for your guests via smartphone app. So it's a pretty simple installation. And if you need help, you just contact them right here on their email. This one has an auto unlock and auto lock feature. So you just need to go into your app. Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro unlocks the door for you when you arrive at your door and relock automatically. and you can manage the users, know who has access to your lock, and how add or delete users. Share code, and it also give you a log record. You can see a log of who's entering and exactly when they did, which is pretty awesome. So this is the adapter that come with it. I'm not sure why I say optional. Maybe they use the same box, but we purchased the one with this adapter, which is work with the Alexa and also work with the Google Assist, also work with the IFTTT. So this one's the Deadbolt Pro UB01 version 1.55. And it is designed in California, but made in China. So it comes with all this installation guide and quick install for your apps and everything. You need to download the UTech app. And then after that, you need to, after you install your Deadbolt, you need to plug that white plug in there. So this one goes outside. And here's the micro USB adapter for backup. And fingerprint scanner. So in order to open this up, you need to lift up the bottom. Yeah, it's kind of hard. There you go. And then lift it up and open this. There's a keyhole right here. And to close it, just make sure the top goes in first and then press down. So there's like a rubber material right here. Here's some of the hardware, screws and everything. There's sets of keys. And then there's a reset tool right here, just like a SIM eject tool. In case you need to reset it, there's a reset button right here. Then you need to use that tool to push in there. And this is the handle for your Allen wrench and also your Phillips screwdriver. It comes with for this AA battery, which is alkaline. Yeah, but I might have to buy like a lithium-ion rechargeable one. I have the 1.2 volt, but it dies out very quickly. I mean, not very quickly, but compared to the 1.5 volt lithium-ion, I have two, but I need to buy two more or probably a set. And then this is the adapter that you can sync with your Alexa and Google. And then it comes with this for your Deadbolt. But you could use the existing one, so just in case. But you need to use this one though. And you need to peel this off. So this goes outside of the door, and you need to insert this cable. But make sure you insert under this deadbolt mechanism, and then through this hole right here. So this will only fit one direction. See, there's a notch coming out. And you will need to use those two of those super long screw. That's gonna go in there. Okay, and after that you're gonna connect the inner side, and then use this plug or the adapter connected right there. It's only fit one direction as well. And then after that, you're gonna slide this barrier door open, and then you're gonna put the two of the small or short screw in there, and then put the battery back, and then sync with your app. All right. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.